Today's medical-centric topic is everything to know about pressotherapy and its benefits. Pressotherapy is a non-invasive wellness treatment that uses air pressure massage to stimulate the lymphatic system, improve circulation, and help with detoxification. Often used in spas, wellness centers, and post-surgery care, pressotherapy is gaining popularity for its ability to reduce swelling, ease fatigue, and support weight loss and skin health. Curious if it's worth trying? Here's everything you need to know. 1. What is pressotherapy? Pressotherapy involves wearing a specialized suit or sleeves for legs, arms, or abdomen. The device uses controlled air compression, inflating and deflating in cycles. It mimics the feeling of a deep lymphatic drainage massage, stimulating blood flow and fluid movement. 2. How it works. The rhythmic pressure helps to activate lymphatic vessels, promoting waste removal, reducing fluid retention, and improving oxygen delivery to tissues. Sessions typically last 30 to 45 minutes and are painless and relaxing. No downtime. Many people return to normal activity right after. 3. Key benefits of pressotherapy. 1. Boosts lymphatic drainage. Helps remove toxins, waste, and excess fluid. Reduces swelling, edema, in legs, ankles, or arms. 2. Improves circulation. Enhances blood flow, especially in people with poor circulation or varicose veins. Promotes oxygen delivery and healing. 3. Reduces cellulite and fluid retention. Stimulates the skin and underlying tissues, which may smooth out the appearance of cellulite. 4. Supports recovery and post-surgery healing. Commonly used after liposuction or cosmetic surgery to reduce swelling. Speeds up the body's natural recovery process. 5. Eases muscle fatigue and soreness. Great for athletes or those on their feet all day. Relieves tired, aching legs and muscles. 4. Who can benefit? People with swollen limbs, poor circulation, or lymphatic issues. Those recovering from cosmetic procedures. Anyone looking for a non-invasive body detox or skin boost. 5. Who should avoid it? Individuals with deep vein thrombosis, DVT, heart conditions, or active infections. Always consult a doctor if you're pregnant or have chronic medical issues. Pressotherapy offers a safe, gentle, and effective way to support lymphatic health, reduce swelling, and improve circulation. Whether you want to ease fatigue, smooth skin, or speed up recovery, this treatment may be a great addition to your wellness routine, with minimal effort and maximum relaxation.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.